Hi guys, welcome to my grocery haul video for this week. I'm going to share with you all the groceries that we got, and also I'm going to share with you our meal plan that I have written in my meal planning book. I'll share with you everything we're having for dinner. So I just picked up all of our groceries. I was a little bit over budget this week at $212, but I got a ton of stuff and we are all set for the week, me and my husband and my two kids. So this is everything we're having for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Let me show you the groceries and then I'll show you the meal plan. Okay, here is everything that I picked up from Walmart in my grocery pickup. So tons and tons of stuff this week. I needed to stock up on quite a bit of things. So the whole counter is totally full. So let me start over on this side. I got 2 things of almond milk. This is just the Walmart brand, their Better Goods brand. Almond milk, regular milk, yogurt for the kids. My favorite drink enhancers, if you've been around my channel, pineapple mango, and then mixed berry with electrolytes. You just put a little squirt of this stuff in your water and it tastes so good. Under here is this Chobani zero sugar yogurt. There's 4 little cups in here. It is so good. It's the milk and cookies flavor. Delicious. I got this avocado oil spray. It's supposed to be really, really good. So I'm trying it out instead of the other cooking spray that I have. Some sliced turkey breast, some chicken apple sausage that I have been loving with my breakfast with my eggs and avocado in the morning. It just is such a good combo, this. 2 packs of chicken. We've been going through 2 packs almost each week. So lots and lots of chicken that we grill up, have it ready for sandwiches and salads and whatnot. And I do lots of chicken crock pot recipes also. So we do a lot of chicken. Salami for one of my kids' lunches. He likes salami. The other one likes peanut butter sandwiches. Under here, some ground turkey, 2 packs of sandwich thins. Now, one of my kids wants his peanut butter sandwiches on the sandwich thins instead of other bread. So getting more sandwich thins, 2 packs this week. Cream cheese. This is my husband's favorite yogurt, this Too Good vanilla. Under here, I have some Cool Whip. I'm going to be making a couple desserts this week for a couple different functions. So needed some Cool Whip for one of the recipes. Spaghetti back here. I get this whole wheat spaghetti. Here's the spaghetti sauce, this Prego, and this is the no sugar added Prego. I always get this one. It's our favorite. Some diced tomatoes with green chilies. Some shrimp I'm going to be doing for an appetizer. I have been getting this stuff a lot lately. If you've been around my channel, you know this brand. J. Hughes is all this sugar-free sauces. And this teriyaki marinade is delicious. I have been eating it quite often, so needed another one. Some tuna. I do tuna a lot for my lunches, so a little 4-pack of tuna. Shredded cheddar cheese, big bag of shredded mozzarella. Some string cheese. I do a string cheese in my kids' lunches. I got 3 different sugar-free Jellos, strawberry, orange, and cherry. They're just a fun snack and sugar-free, 5 calories per serving, so can't beat that, and it's fun. Some green salsa verde. I absolutely love this stuff. I got 2 packs of eggs this week. Eggs are going crazy up in price again. I usually get a box of eggs, and the box was $22. Just not that long ago, it was like $11, $12 for a box of 60 eggs. So I just got these eggs for the week, and hopefully the price goes down. I am praying for that. We're going to do pizza one night. This is our favorite pepperoni pizza, DiGiorno. Little taco bowls that my kids love. Green tea down here. My husband and I, we don't drink coffee, but we drink green tea. These little Belvita little snack packs I put in one of my kids' backpacks. He likes those up for his snack recess. Powdered sugar and walnuts for one of my desserts. Pumpkin, love this stuff. I only needed 1 for one of the desserts I'm doing, but I thought I should grab 2 because last year it was kind of hard to find here and there. So 1 extra for the pantry. Big thing of peanut butter. We do lots of peanut butter sandwiches. My favorite collagen that I put in my green tea in the morning. Just really great for your hair, skin, nails. I love that I can pick this up with my grocery pickup. Just makes it easy and convenient to get everything I need just at Walmart. A bunch of avocados. This is corn, a bunch of corn. Some frozen edamame down here, which I love for snacks, and we have it with dinner also, but just super easy. You just steam it in the bag. Broccoli, we do a lot of broccoli. My favorite Southwest blend. I've been putting this in a lot of different things. So it's frozen, so I like to just keep one in the freezer. Some sugar-free syrup. I get this sugar-free one. My kids really like it. They prefer it over the regular one. Some pancake mix. Some granola. One of my kids wants granola in his backpack for snack for school each day. So I just put like a little bit in a Ziploc baggie. And that's what he likes for his snack. Granola bars. We are in soccer season right now, so lots of snacks on the weekends. And this big box of granola bars is a huge hit always. Riced cauliflower. Absolutely love this stuff. So good, so easy. You just steam it in the bag. Bananas, lots of apples, obsessed with apples, and they are now in their time of year, so I am really, really excited. I get the Pink Lady apples, so these are delicious. Our carb balanced tortillas, my husband loves these. They are 3 carbs per tortilla, and this is the big burrito size, so super good. Cherries, we have been really obsessed with cherries. Green grapes. I do not get grapes that often because I feel like they're just really expensive and my kids eat them really fast. But I wanted to get them as a treat for my kids. Some strawberries, a spice cake. Like I said, I'm going to be doing a couple desserts this week. These good thin crackers, they're really yummy and they're really not that bad for you. So 38 crackers is 120 calories. They're made out of corn. And they're really good. They're yummy. I really like them. Great snack. Tortilla chips for a recipe I'm doing, and pretzels for my kids' snacks, one of their favorite snacks. So these are the groceries. Let me show you my little meal planning book that I have been using this book for quite some time now, and I just love writing everything down. It makes it really a lot easier for me with my grocery budgeting to write down what we're having, and then I know exactly what ingredients to look for in our pantry and what ingredients I need at the grocery store. So I'm going to be doing a crock pot enchilada soup on Monday, King Ranch chicken casserole on Tuesday. I'm going to be doing a spaghetti casserole. One of you guys mentioned in one of my videos that you wanted to see a spaghetti casserole, so that will be coming soon. Tuscan chicken bake. It's a low carb kind of casserole type dish. Pizza night on Friday, because we have just a long week, so we thought it would be nice to do pizza night and relax on Friday. Chicken teriyaki rice bowls on Saturday, and then we're doing a family dinner. I'm bringing corn, and then in one of the desserts that I'm making this week, the pumpkin spice cupcakes that I'm making. So this is the meal plan and the groceries. So I hope you enjoyed this week's grocery haul and meal plan. I hope it gave you some inspiration of what to cook this week for your family and to plan what you're gonna have so that you don't overspend at the grocery store and get things that you don't need. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.